Hey, anyone been having this here? Guess not a brown recluse. Well, anyhow, we'll just not let you bite you. Yeah, this red mold comes out of the air and then grows. Rainwater, tap water. Anyone been having this lately? I've not noticed an occurrence of this before in 7 years of the southern Okanagon growing season. Southern growing seasons. Yeah. And it's fast. More so in the heat. But this is the thing, even really well filtered water, it will grow in. And this is new, like I said. So I'll leave that with you. I haven't analyzed it. I'm absolutely sure it's a mold spore, but it's not a particulate washout, because like I said, it'll, if you expose a pail of filtered or sterile water outside, it'll, and this is just recently, last 3 or 4 days. No. Last 9 days. Almost as though it came in with that last meteorite shower. I did see comet inclusion not too far away. So, the trail. The meteorite trail. I mentioned that a couple weeks ago. I don't know. So anyhow, I'm 6 kilometers south of, north of Oliver, 40 kilometers due south of Penticton. So there you go. Anyone else in the area been noticing that in their water? If so, we'll see how far out it goes. No, it's not an accumulation of solids. It is a mold. And of course, I guess I should mention, we do have a little bit extra, I won't say wet because it is semi-desert, extra moist and mild summer. Again, for the 3rd in a row, since of course the Chem Spray campaign moved into our local atmospheric mixing bowl. Hey, thanks, y'all. You know, it could even just be something local born because the soil's wet, eh? But you know what they say about comets, and that's the whole thing. Them pandemics, they always spread by an upset to their swipe matrix, which one of the more fragile parts is the what lives in the atmosphere. Subservient to the light in the upper atmosphere that comes through. So, you know, if you get a comet putting comet smoke, meteorite smoke, of water content, simple comet water, vaporized way up there where there is just about no moisture. And the mesosphere, 80,000 kilometers up. Yep. Or 80,000 meters up. Feet. Yes. Sorry. 80,000 feet up, starting there. You know, like what makes the non-solucent clouds. That's basically smoke particles. But when you get water itself up there, it tends to react and cause nitrates and shut down the ozone. which now you change the amount of UVB that wouldn't have penetrated that far mainly, and it can grow a whole different dragonfly. A whole different crop of airborne funguses. Which is, you know, basically the stuff that could be airborne is what lives up there. Not nearly as abundant as the life on the surface of the earth or below it. Hey, there you go. Hey, bear! Don't get too hot out there. Doing pretty well. I can almost take 30 Celsius in the shade, and I can, you know, if I'm not exerting myself beyond lots of thinking and studying, like, you know, doing real work, I can keep up with the heat. Remember, I'm missing part of my large intestine now, so it can be done.